Hi guys, welcome back to SoftAsia Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can create this awesome zoom in profile images into your Elementor page builder. You can see in normal state the profile images, but when you hover over it you can see the other informations like their name, social media icon, and also this white border. When you move the cursor from this box you can see the only images appears and this content was disappeared. So to create it, let's go to your Elementor editor where I will show you how to create it from scratch. So here is my Elementor page builder. Keep in mind that you have to install Elementor Pro to create this effect into your Elementor page, because I am going to add some CSS codes, and unfortunately you cannot add CSS codes in Elementor free version. So you have to install Elementor Pro to add CSS classes and create this effect. So let's begin. First of all, I will create a section with 3 columns. Now first of all I will go to section settings, and its height I will make it fit to screen. Now in the middle column I will click on this plus button and add an inner section. For my device this Elementor inner section was not adding in this column, so what I will do, I will go to the next section and drag this inner section in it. Now I will copy this outer column like this and paste it here. Now I will delete this column, and here you can see I have this intersection into my middle column. So first of all I will delete a column from intersection, and in the intersection settings I will first of all I will change its height, and I will make it minimum height and change its minimum height to 450. Now I will go to style and I will add background image in it. So instead of using this background I will go to background overlay, and then I will go to classic and add an image here. I will select this image and click on insert media. Now I will change its position to center. Repeat, I will make it no repeat, and size to cover. Now I will change its opacity to 1. Now I will go to border, and here I will give it the border radius of 4%. So select percent from there and add 4%. Now I will add box shadow. For horizontal I will leave it as default on 0. For the vertical I will add 70. Blur I will make it 60, and for the spread I will make it -70. Now you can see this image was appeared like that. Now after this I will add a text here, so I will click on this plus button and drag an heading widget in it. Now I will change the heading. I will add the name Ben White. Now go to style and I will change its color to white. Now I will go to this inner column settings and I will add border in it. So I will go to style, and here in border I will select solid and give it width of 1 pixels, and I will change its color to white. Now in border radius I will add 4%. You cannot see the border here because I have to add some spacing. So for this I will go to advanced. So here in margin I will add 15 pixels, and in the padding I will add 15 pixels of padding. Now you can see this white border appears over the image. Now I will add social media icons. So I will click on this Rubik's Cube icon and search for social media icons. Here you can see this social icon widgets. I will drag it into this column. Now you can see it has 3 different icons. I will add Instagram icon here. So I will search for Instagram and click on insert. Now I will add another item and I will change its image. I will add LinkedIn icon. Now I will click on insert. Now you can use your link here, but I am not using links here. Just I will go to style, and from the color I will change it to official color to custom color, and primary color I will make it transparent. Now I will change its size to 20, and I will add padding to 0.5. like that. Now I will make it vertical aligned, so I will go to advanced and go to positioning. Here in width I will select custom and give it 0 pixel of width. Now you can see it was appeared in vertically. Now I will change its position to absolute, and here horizontal orientation I will add 15 pixels, and now vertical orientation I will align it to bottom and add offset of 20 pixels. Now you can see it was appeared in the middle. Now I have added the image and the content, so next I will add hover effect. For this I have to show images first, and when I hover over it, so it will show this text and the social media icons. So for this I will go to this inner section, go to advanced and custom CSS. Now here I will paste my CSS code. Now you can see the text was disappeared and only the image was appeared here. When you hover over it, you can see this cool transition, you can see this zoom in transition, and content was appeared here. Now here in the code you can see this code was divided into two parts. For the first I have, this will work for our zoom in transition, and this code will hide our content for default state. Let me clear this code. Now you can see the only zoom in hover effect works, and this text and social media icons appears over this image. So when I paste this code here, it will disappear this code and only appear, it will disappear this content and only it will appear when I hover over it. Now I am done with this content, so what I will do, I will duplicate this section and I will duplicate it 2 times. So keep in mind that duplicate this outer column, don't duplicate this inner section. So I will duplicate this outer column 2 times, and I will delete this empty columns here. Now I will change this image and content from other 2 columns. So I will go to inner section settings, style, overlay background, and I will change this image. I will select this image from my media library and click on insert media. Now I will change this title and I will add John Doe. Now I will go to third one, inner section settings, style, and in the background overlay I will change the image. I will select this image, insert media, and I will change its title to Freddie Wilson. Now I am done with that. Now I will check its responsiveness, so I will click on this responsive mode. Now I will click on tablet and it will appear like that on tablet, and when you check it on mobile it will appear like that. Now you don't have any hover effect in mobile, but when you tap over this image, this effect will appear on mobile. Now I am done with that, so I will update the page. Now after updating the page I will preview the changes, so I will click on this I button. So here is my page. You can see the images on default state, and when you hover over it you can see the beautiful zoom in hover effect, and this text was appeared here. That's how you can add zoom in profile image effect into your Elementor editor. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like this video and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching.